Hi there, my name is Emma and I am a stay-at-home mom to 3 young kids. I bet you can agree with me when I tell you that dinner time is the #1 pain point for moms in America. We've got kids to feed, we've got homework, we've got sports practice, and it's absolutely chaotic. I recently got this Cuisinart AirFryer toaster oven combination and it has been a game changer for my family at dinner time and as a stay-at-home mom all throughout the day. I'm going to share with you some of my favorite things about it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Okay, a few of my favorite things about this air fryer toaster oven combo. I was able to get rid of my air fryer and my toaster. Now I have one thing that sits here on my counter, and it looks beautiful. The one thing I was worried about was the size. I know we all value our counter space, and I was worried it was getting a little big, but normally I just keep it tucked away in the corner here, and I have never felt like it was too big. Another feature that I love about this is how easy it is to clean. You just pull the drawer out, and then wipe this, clean it, and then you don't have to smell any of the burning things. Some things that my kids love is the toaster feature. So all I do is set it to toast. I turn it to light. The light lights up so we know it's working, and then something fun when their toast or their waffles is done. There it is, ready to go. I use the air fryer all the time. Last night we made butternut squash with salmon, and I was able to do it all right in here. So I set it to about usually 350 or 400. I set it to air fry, and then I just turn it on. The light goes on, the power button's working, so I know it's here, and then, ding, dinner is ready. This has been a game changer for our family. I use it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Like I said, it's super easy to clean the tray. It's also very easy to clean the trays. There's a grate, there's also an air fryer basket, and a cookie sheet. So everything comes with this ready to go. The other thing I've done, which I love, is I put a little suction cup hook here, and I hooked on my silicone baking oven mitts so I don't hurt my hands when I take things out. This has been a family favorite, and I hope you enjoy this toaster oven, air fryer oven as much as we do.